Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beat, man, back with another video, POV, vlog, whatever you want to call it, car vlog. You know what I'm saying? Back with your boy. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way, you feel me? This gonna be a quick, short POV, man. Really just staying consistent, car crew, man. Y'all gotta leave some ideas down below, man. I can think of some on, sometimes take longer than others to think of, you know what I'm saying? The video, because I don't want to just put out just anything y'all don't be watching, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to keep the videos at a consistent view, you know what I'm saying? At least over 1K, at least, bro. Should easily be over 1K a video, you feel me? But y'all just tap in, man. Keep hitting that like button, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. But welcome back to another POV with me, you know what I'm saying? We just gonna get a little sounds down. I might have the window all the way down today, I don't know, man. It feels great outside, man. Like, it feels great. Only time I like my windows all the way down when I gotta stop. It just give you time to look at me for no reason. You know what I'm saying? Oh, got something in my eye, car crew. But yeah, man. Y'all can see we outside with it, man. Outside with it, got a big boy Jeep. Big boy Jeep, man. And we in custom mode, by the way. Some slight. That dude looking out on him, man. I'm just making the video, cuz y'all in my way. Ooh, I know y'all hit on pop, man. Yeah, car crew, man. Just in traffic with it, man. Make a little noise. Everybody in my way, literally in traffic. What's up? Bad car crew, not talking, man. Really just driving, you feel me? Literally driving. But car crew, man, y'all leave a comment for real though down below, man. What kind of videos y'all would like to see, man? Whether they're POVs or other car videos or how-to videos, tutorials. You know what I'm saying? Look at my stand, man. Don't worry about it. I'm finna come get you. But yeah, man. Y'all leave down below, man, what kind of video y'all would like to see, you know what I'm saying, from me. Y'all don't really be telling what kind of video y'all want to see for real, car crew, man. Come on, man. We trying to go up together. We doing this together, man. It's a team effort. But y'all let me know, man. I don't really got too much to talk about. Ain't really too much been going on, you know what I'm saying? That hard. Really too much been going on in my life, man, as far as like excitement, you know what I'm what I'm saying? I'm just blessed to still be here to record a video for y'all today. You know what I'm saying? Ain't really too much been going on for real. But yeah, man. I mean, y'all let me know something, man. Oh, I ain't know it was a V8. You got louvers on the back, you know what that means. He's a weirdo. Louvers on the Mustang equals weirdo. No lie. Louvers are made, I don't even know what they made for, but they're not made for, oh, that 12? I didn't know 12 just sitting right there. The Suburban was blocking the view. Yeah, that Mustang I was talking about, he probably long. Yeah, man. I'm trying to get that best angle for y'all boys, man. Yeah. Turn that back on. Get a little 60 roll, 4 gear. That jump be going off the wall with it, boy. But see, custom, the downshifts more smooth, you know what I'm saying? Downshift a little more smooth, you don't really hit them joints. It's just screaming, you know what I'm saying? Why is the mailman getting over? You scared of Suburban? Get a Suburban? Ooh. Car crew, y'all let me know how Olivia sound to y'all, man, on the camera, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can't hear how I hear it, but y'all let me know how she sound on the camera, man. Oh, my lights off, I'm tripping. I still didn't turn them on, but I just turned on the side marker. I really don't need to have these on, man, my bad. I'm tripping. My nigga just that car crew, man, just give y'all a slight pull, man, in Olivia, you feel me? Slight little work. Olivia sound crazy effortlessly, you know what I'm saying? Goodness. Why nobody not in this lane? I thought this lane was about broke. I don't know what's going on. Let's see what we got. Yeah, car crew, man. Y'all see how we coming, man. Y'all see how we coming, car crew, man. We go another Charger. Don't come out here, Mustang. Oh, it's a wide body. Okay. That's up. Give me a little thumbnail, man. Hell yeah. Well, y'all car crew, man, I'm probably not gonna edit this video or nothing either, man. It's just gonna be straight raw and uncut, not that long anyway. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just enjoy the content, man. Enjoy the content. But like I say, man, y'all leave a comment down below, leave a like, man. You know what I'm saying? Run it up. Let me know what kind of videos y'all would like to see, man. You don't have to just be POV. Let me know what y'all like to see, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Like I say in any of my videos, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. You feel me? My bad. That wind feel good, but the sky's the limit, and you can touch it. Car crew. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just, stay strong, stay hungry, have that hustle, have that grind, have that mentality, man, and don't be scared, you know what I'm saying, to do what you want to do, especially if you know that it can happen. You know what I'm saying? So, don't let nobody tell you no, man. But, for all my religious folks, like I say, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man, you know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, spend time with him, build that relationship with him, man, and tell him it'll take you a long way, man, and honor him, you know what I'm saying? I know you can't be perfect, but honor him in the best way you can. Keep that faith and hope, man. And let him guide you and trust, you know what I'm saying, what he has for you. Promise you it won't hurt you. I be trying to learn that myself sometimes, car crew, man. We all, you know what I'm saying? It's a learning process. But anyway, man, enough of that. Like I said, it's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. Like I said in all the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.